Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you a way where you can make money with Clickfunnels. So what you can do is when you get your Clickfunnels account, you can go to affiliates. You have to register to affiliates. And then here you have like the dream car. So I've just started mine. I've got two on my list already, but you want to get over 100 or 200, and then they'll start paying you £500 or $1,000 or $500 a month. Now the way you want to do is you want to log into your dashboard, and basically this. So I've had payouts just recently. I just had $200 payouts because I promoted this. So you got all these that you can promote. So what you do is if you click on this, it'll take you to your affiliate links. So you will go. So you got all of these. This is a new one. Traffic books, one fun away. You got .com secrets. You can promote all of these expert secrets. You can promote all of these. All of these. It's quite a lot here. All of these products, right? So that's one funnel away. So you see, here's your affiliate link, right? And every person that you enroll on, you will get $100. Now, just recently I sold two of these, so I had 200. But that's how I've got on here 200. That's how I got my 200 here. But I'm going to be doing a bit more on this. But they give you everything like email swipe. They give you. So when we were talking about the email training, all you need to do is go into drafts, create new, and just literally copy. They've all got it here for you. Copy the body, and then and it tells you here, put your affiliate links here. So you just replace these, and then link it to your affiliate link. And anyone who clicks on that, they'll get. So from that email list you build, you can create an automation. So every other day you could send these little offers. So you can send an offer a day for these ones. So for the first, once they've signed in, you can start promoting each of these. And then through your email list, if you've got 1,000 or 500,000 in there, if one or two buy it, sales, that's $200. So if you're doing that, if you're putting out the emails and keep on buying emails to add to your list, and keep putting them on that automation here that we were talking about, the ones we'd made, that workflow, where they sign in. I'll show you on here. So that one we made, where you sign in from our list. So for example, the test list that we had. So all you have to do is automate all of these. So if you go back to the GetResponse part of the course, which I'll try and find you here. Where's it gone? So yeah, if you go back here, and I'll just open this up for you. So this course that you're doing, just go back to GetResponse and go over how to set up automation. And in here, it will explain how to do it. And all you have to do is just put these email swipes in, subject, line, and body. And then you can do that for each one. So if I do that one, or was it that one? So you can click these all of these. Like there's so many you can promote. You have to promote all of them, but look, you've got this one here. Your potential earning is 174. So you offer them a free book, and you'll earn $1. And then what Clickfunnels done, because they clicked on your link, they will keep upselling these products, and then you never know, you might get a commission where some of your people on your email list go all the way, and you'll get $174. Same thing here. This is a affiliate link. Your affiliate link is here, and then you just use these subjects here. And expert secrets is the same, your potential earning. So it's all here. All you have to do is all here laid out for you. That's your affiliate link here, and then you just go and copy these swipes, and put them in your email list. So this is one way where you can start making money online through just ClickFunnels. If you focus on ClickFunnels and traffic, and obviously through my traffic, you could use the free traffic or Facebook ads or what have you, and you can start building commission slowly. Yeah? It takes time. It's not an overnight success, but you just got to keep at it, and just keep building your email list and promoting and sending people to your affiliate link using these swipes. Okay, so that's just like a quick video on how you can make money with ClickFunnels as well. Okay. So if you have any problems, you can always email me. I'm here as well, and I will do my best to help.